Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If Clash of Clan game update is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix this problem. When you are facing the updates problem, then go to your Play Store and search here Clash of Clan and go to the update option and check the problem update. Then go to the Play Store again and long press on this, go to the app info and go to the storage and cache and clear cache and storage. After doing this step, again log in your Play Store and check the problem. If it persists, then next is restart your device. Long press the power button and restart the device. After doing this step, if it persists, then next is long press on the Clash of Clan game and go to the app info and then uninstall the game and reinstall and go to the Play Store and install fresh. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. If it is not working, then check your internet connection is working properly or not. So by this way you can fix the updates problem of Clash of Clan. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.